just very excited to start the second episode of the Grandma. And we have got here Gurbani Aryakor, Supreet, Ajuni, and Jasmine. Welcome to the show. And today we are just going to do three things. We are going to talk about our feelings. We are going to talk about boundary. And we are going to help to know how parents can help you to read and write. Everyone is excited to have these three topics? Yes, wonderful. Let's talk about the feelings. Where are our feelings coming? Ajuni, where are the feelings coming from? Your feelings are coming from where? Which part of your body the feeling is coming? Is it coming from the heart or your brain or your hand? Where is it coming from?
From my body.
Thank you for sharing whatever you know. You know the senses? We can see. Can you all show me your eyes?
Yeah.
Show me your eyes. Wow. Can you show me your ears? One ear and the second ear. Can you show me your mouth? Can you show me where the heart is? Look, your heart is right here. Can you just show me? And all the feelings are coming from the heart. All the feelings are coming from the heart. Where the feelings are coming, Bani?
From the heart.
From their heart. Ajuni, where the feelings are coming from?
Heart.
Heart. Your feelings are coming from the heart. We are going to talk about how do you feel today. Bani, can you just tell me how are you feeling? I'm going to give you the words and you have to let me know. Are you feeling happy?
I'm feeling good. I did my homework.
Oh, you're feeling good. You are not feeling sad. You're not feeling lonely. Mommy is with you. You're not feeling angry. I can see from your senses. You are happy. You are calm. And you know, you are not in the tears. And you know, for little tears, I had a book for the little tears. Ajuni is not having the tears, but she is not feeling okay to be confined to her boundary. She has to be a big kid. She has to be a big kid. She is a young kid of 3 years. Okay, let us just talk about the boundaries. Here is a song of the happiness if you're happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, and you surely want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, say hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! Thank you. Are you happy now? Wonderful, Ajuni. You were just singing the happy song, and that tells me that you are really showing me your feeling of happiness with your action, with your eyes, with your feet, with your body, and with listening ears. Wonderful. Now, we have to just see about another song. This is all about having the boundary, you know. And everyone knows the old MacDonald had a, and you know these alphabets, if you just see E, I, O. Old MacDonald had a farm and a farm had a boundary. And I'm going to say Old MacDonald had a farm. You are going to say, all of you, E-I-O. Is it okay? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
On that farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O.
With a-
What the dog says,
What does
Bunny?
the dog say?
What the dog says? What? Woof, 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 woof. With a woof, woof here and a woof, woof here. Here a woof, there a woof, woof, woof. Everywhere old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cow.
Cows.
Junie, come and take the cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah, oh, with a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo. Everywhere old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
On that farm he had some pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, oink oink everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. On that farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there. Old MacDonald had a farm. On that farm he had some cock. Chicken. E-I-E-I-O. What the chicken says? Buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck. Oh, Bunny, how the chicken says? Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh, wonderful, Junie, you're singing loud. And with a buck, buck here and a buck, buck there. Can you just say buck, buck? Buck, 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 buck. And it just goes there. All the animals are in their boundary, in the barnyard. All the animals here. Now, why did the tiger did not come to the old MacDonald's farm? Is he allowed going there? Bunny, is the tiger allowed coming to the old MacDonald's farm? No. It's a boundary for the old MacDonald farm, has a boundary. And now both Bunny and Junie are going to sing the boundary song. This is the boundary for old MacDonald. E-I-E-I-O. That was the boundary. Here, doggy was here, the doggy was here, the moo cow was here, and all the small animals were here. This is the boundary for. And look at this tiger. He just came to. No. You are not supposed to be in this boundary. And everybody knows the boundaries.
Please stop. I don't like that. Feeling comfortable. Me more face. Now mommy. Take up the jelly. It's a boundary. It's a boundary.
Can we start helping the child to read and write? Who knows how to read and write? Junie knows? Bunny, you know?
Do you know how to read and write? You write.
You know how to read and write? You know, whether we are in Canada or in any part of the country, we need to learn to read and write. Any language. If you are in Arabic language, you will just have to say in Arabic reading and writing. If you are Punjabi, you have to just say ura, era, iri, sasa, ha, ha. And if you are just doing the Hindi language, you have to just do ka, ka, ga, ga. If you are Gujarati, you have to know the alphabets of Gujarati. So any language, we have to learn to read and write. And you can learn about reading and writing. And today we are just going to be doing the reading and writing of Letterland. We are just going to do the Letterland. And this is going to be in English. Reading and writing, it is a process. It all starts with listening and their 5 senses. And the 5 senses are eyes, ears, their feelings, their actions, and their experiences. When you can just say about alphabets of each language, you are starting to talk to them at their level, and that is very important. Activities like painting, Bani has done. Bani has done, what color is it, Bani? Purple color. Oh, you have started writing your names. Wow, that's amazing. And here I see you were just doing a butterfly. And here you have just talked about writing the letter Z, and it says, let's go to the zoo. And in the zoo, we can have tiger, and you are just going to be learning about the rules of reading and writing.
You know, tomorrow on Friday, we have rules at school.
Yes, we have to follow the rules everywhere we go. And for reading and writing, I am going to introduce the Letterland. What is your name? What is your full name, Bani?
Bunny Arya Kar.
Gurbani Arya Kaur. Learning to read and write the Letterland. Can you just see the Letterland is a phonic system, and here it is written in Arabic, and it starts from the right hand side and going towards the left hand side. But in English language, when I am reading, learning to read and write, I go from the left side and I am going towards the right side. And that's how we learn about various languages. And here we are going to be talking about the alphabet. I know you people have learned about ABC. I'm going to be talking about the alphabets here, and each alphabet has a name. A for Annie apple, I will say, and you will repeat after me.
Okay.
Can you say A for Annie apple?
A for Annie apple.
B for Bouncy Ben.
B for Bouncy Ben.
C for Clever Cat.
C for Clever Cat.
D for Dippy Duck.
D for Dippy Duck.
E for Eddie Elephant.
E for Eddie Elephant.
F for Fireman Fred.
For Fireman Friend.
G for the Golden Girl.
G for the Golden Girl.
H for the Hairy Hatman.
H for the Hairy Hatman.
I for the Impy Ink.
I for the Amy Pink.
J for the Jumping Jack.
J for the Jumping Jack.
K for the Kicking King. L for the
K.
Lamp Lady. Supreet, I'm not hearing the words from you. Can you just say L for the Lamp Lady?
L for the lamp lady.
M for the Munching Mike.
M for the munching mice.
N for the Naughty Nick.
N for the naughty Nick.
O for the Oscar Orange.
O for the Oscar orange.
P for the Poor Peter.
P for the poor Peter.
Q for the Quarrelsome Queen.
Q for the quarrelsome queen.
R for the Robert Red.
R for the Robert Red.
S for the Sammy Snake.
S for the Sammy Snake.
T for the Ticking Toss.
T for the ticking toss.
U for the Uppy Umbrella.
U for the uppy umbrella.
V for the vase of violets.
V for the vase of violets.
W for the wicked witch.
W for the wicked witch.
And X for the kissing cousins.
X for the kissing cousin.
Y for the yo-yo man.
Y for the yo-yo man.
Z for the zigzag zebra.
Z for the zigzag zebra.
Oh my goodness, these are the characters of the letterland. We do not say A, B, C. If I will say, let me ask, Bani, can you just tell me which character did you like it?
Golden girl.
Golden girl, wonderful. Is there any other character you like?
I like the bumpy witch.
The wicked witch.
Wicked witch.
Wicked witch.
And Ajuni liked which character? Wicked witch, wonderful. And Supreet, which character did you like?
The clever cat.
Clever cat. And Jasmine, what character did you like?
The lamp lady.
Oh, the lamp lady. She makes the day comes brighter. You're not in the dark. You're in the light. Wonderful. These are the characters. These are called the phonics and the names. Next time, I'm going to just show you the songs for each letter. Any apple says inwards, inwards, inwards. Any apple says inwards. And we are going to sing the songs in the next episode. We will like about the characters and the sound, and that will help us to read and write, because these are the basic units for reading any language. But this one we are just going to be reading in English. If you have to learn any other language, you have to know the alphabet of that language first. I'm going to read the book, Do Not Push the Button. And Ajuni is going to touch, do not push it, okay? Can you just touch it? Don't push. Oh, wonderful. I'm going to read about this book today. Hi, my name is Larry and welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Only one rule. And the rule is do not push the button. Okay? Larry's rule is, seriously, do not even think about pushing the button. Do not even think about it. Does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Can you give her one little push? Oh, thank you. One little push. Good job, Ajuni. Oh, now I am yellow. Push it again. Oh, here. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Can you push it one? Push it again. 2 times. Wonderful. And oh, now there is 2 of me. Push it bunch of times. You can push this one bunch of times. Can you just push it here? 1, 2, 3, whatever number you want to push. Push. 1. Okay. Now it is turn for Bani. I will allow Bani to come here and push the button for whatever number of times. Let me see how many times you want to push that button.
I want to do 4.
4? Okay, push the button 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wonderful. Next is, oh no, look at them. They are a little sad here because this time they did not ask us to push the button. Shake the book to get off all the extra Larry. Can I shake the book? Shake the book upside down, up. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy. Can you just scratch the Larry's tummy? Tummy is here. Can you scratch it? Can you scratch it here so that he gets back to the normal? He has to be back to the normal, Larry. And that's tickly. Can I tickle? No. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. No. Larry is feeling better. Tickly, tickly, tickly. Tickly, tickly.
Can you hold the
No.
book for a second?
No. We are not pushing. But there was a kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes. Do you want to push the button? Hold on. Not your turn. Yes. One time? How many times you want to push the button? Okay, push it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, wonderful. 5 times you push the button?
I want again.
You want this book again? And the rule of the book, whatever book we are... Okay, can I just tell you the rule? Then I will read it again. Okay? Here, the rule of the thumb when we are choosing the book is, Ajuni, look at the 5 fingers. Show me your hand. 5 fingers. It says, if it is 4 to 5 words, you cannot understand in the book. It is too hard for you. Can you sit down properly, please? 2 to 3 times is just right book for you. 0 to 1 is too easy. I do not think it was too easy for you. Was the book easy for you?
Yeah.
Was the book easy for you, Ajuni? Was it easy? Stop, please. Was it easy book? Do you want to have it again? All right, we will have it again next time. Can you say bye-bye? Okay, can you say bye-bye? We will push the button again. Can you just say bye-bye? Bye-bye. We will see you again.
See you guys.
We will push the button again.